Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? It is audible now? Yeah. Now observe it here. Very, 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 very important. Actually, anybody attending a previous demo classes means what I told in a previous classes, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using, if you want to operate Oracle means the data, okay? If you want to operate data in a Oracle database, then we are using which languages? SQL, PL and the dynamic SQL languages. Already I told this one, yeah. And also SQL Plus is a tool I told in a previous classes. SQL Plus is a client tool. Through this tool only you are connected to the where server. This is a default tool. When we are installing a Oracle software, automatically the tool is available. Up to that one we are discussing in a previous class. Now today observe it here. Up to now I am not telling installation process. Why means if you want to install a Oracle software, some other knowledge is required. What is that one means? I will tell you. Suppose screen observe it. Screen observe it. Here very important. Slowly start. I suppose I am installing. Already I installed Oracle software in my system. In a future tomorrow you are also installing. Don't worry. Here after installing SQL Plus is a tool is there. No? Yeah, here observe it here. SQL Plus is a tool is there. Here observe it. SQL Plus is a tool. Through this tool we are connected to the where database server, Oracle database. But in a real-time project side, always database administrator provided a what? Username and password. But you are outside only, you are installing a Oracle software. You are also practicing a what? Some data in a where? In this Oracle database. That's why, what is the default username and password? Anybody have an idea? In a MySQL database side, what is the default username? Root is there, no? Yeah. Password is root is there, no? Same like here also, in a Oracle side also, if any user, any employee wants to connect to where Oracle database by using a tool, some default username and passwords they are providing only in a Java, .NET, Python developers having idea. Tell me correctly. Anybody? Very interesting this one. That's so slowly I'm telling. Why? Because something is there. Very good. So many fellows are telling Murali sir, nothing is there. Scott is a default username. They are telling. And password is tiger. They are telling only. Okay, most of the students are telling like that, but unfortunately, this is a wrong one. Why so many students in our class, Scott user, they are telling me, I'm agree. Scott is a really popular user. That is extra user. So many fellows are doesn't know. HR and Scott is extra users, they doesn't know. But unfortunately, Scott is a popular user. Why? Because in that Scott user only predefined tables are available, EMP, DEPT, that those tables based only, those are popular occasion of your users actually. That's why so many fellows are default user Scott they are telling, but unfortunately default user not a Scott. This is a one of the popular user extra user. Scott is not a default user, but which user is a default user means I will tell you. Now check it out here. System is a default user. System is a default user. And password means installation time, whatever password you are giving only that password like this. But how you are understandable? What is this default and explicit users? Confusing only. That's why if you want to understandable these users and all these things means compulsory some other knowledge is required. What is that one? Enterprise edition, express edition, some editions are there. In enterprise edition, Scott and HR users are extra users. What is this one? Now how you are understandable? That's why up to now installation I am not telling. Why? Because this knowledge is required. Otherwise confusing only. Now here check it out. Concentrate here. 1 minute only. Screen observe it. Suppose in a previous classes I told no here like this one up to this one you have an idea navigation. Now observe it here. Concentrate here. Whenever you are we are installing a Oracle software. If you want to connect to the where Oracle database, then username and password is displayed in SQL plus tool side or any other tool side. What is the default username is system and password is installation time given password. Manager means in olden days, but here installation time given password. Given password. Installation time given password only. How I am giving the guarantee system is a what? A default username is one reason is there. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, you are also your friend also installing a what? Yes, Oracle software, for example. Now in your system, you are installing Oracle software. In your friend laptop also, he is also installing Oracle software. But in your system, what is the default username? Scott you are giving, for example, working. Your friend system again Scott they are giving means it won't work. That's why some system side, some software side that is working, some other software side not working means that is not a default user. But system is a default user. Why I am giving the guarantee means system is a user. Any software side also we are typing working. Any Oracle software side also working only. Why I am telling about any Oracle software or anything means each and every Oracle software having a two editions are there. One is Express edition, another one is Enterprise edition. This knowledge is required. Otherwise, you are unable to install a what? Correct software properly. Now and also users are not understandable in a Oracle. That's why first I will tell you today those things only. Then only you are decided which edition you want, which occasion of your user you want, which user is unlocking. Those are all the things I will tell you. Now check it out. Screen observe it. Screen observe it here. Suppose in a feature you are installing a Oracle software means here observe it here. One of the stage database edition you are choosing only. Enterprise edition I'm choosing or not? Yes. Now screen observe it again, observe it again, observe it here. Here in a net you are observing. In a browser we are opening. Now here now check it out. Here Oracle software downloads in a feature you are familiar. 1 minute observe it here. Concentrate here. Here observe it here. Database is a option is there or not? In this database option, here enterprise edition, here Express edition, something is there or not? In a which edition? In Express edition, Enterprise edition also default username system and password means installation time password. But Enterprise edition side, extra users are available. Scott user, HR user, those are all the things. Why they are providing that one? Yeah, okay, predefined tables purpose. Those tables only available in this edition in that user only. Okay, yeah. Those all the things you have an idea. Then only you are understandable installation process. That's why, yes, anybody. Now here, anybody attending the previous classes up to this one navigation you are writing now? Yeah, taking snapshot now. Now today you are take a what? A snapshot this one. Username, system, password means installation time, given password. Take a snap. Take a snap through mobile. Okay. Yeah. Now observe here. Now observe here. Every Oracle version having a what? Following editions are there. One is why they are giving me, I will tell you 4 editions, but marketing strategies purpose, 4 editions they are giving also 2 editions regularly using. Here, every Oracle version having following editions. These are, one is Express edition, another one is Enterprise edition. In these two editions, by default, username is system and password is installation time given password. Okay, yeah. Not a manager. Manager means olden days like that. Okay, yeah. Take a snap this one. Now actually SQL server side also Enterprise edition is there. There is a main editions, Enterprise editions. I am installing, you are installing in a future Enterprise editions only. Don't worry. Complete. Did you complete this one? I'll take a snap. Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very, 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 very important. Most powerful. What is Express edition? Concentrate here. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. You don't have an idea technical concept. That's why business side I will tell you. Because in that case only default case edition is a want SQL plus tool through which edition settings, all the things I will tell you. First observe it here, screen observe it one by one slowly, because first time newcomers. What is Express edition means? I am a Java developer, for example. Slowly observe it here. I am working in a where in my company side, JDBC project side, for example. Here, JDBC project side, I am working. Whenever I am working JDBC project side, slowly observe it here. Compulsory, you are also interacting with the what? A database. Suppose here they are decided a what? A client asking a what? User what? Oracle database is a backend they are asking. For example, now this is a Oracle DB also installing in your project. And then only these Java developers are connected to where this Oracle database. Then only they are interacting with the what database by using stored procedure and also passing value, returning value, so many things only. But unfortunately, slowly observe here. Suppose in my company, I am working in a Java, for example. But in this JDBC project side, we are decided Oracle is a backend, okay, because of the client requirement. In that case, for example, in this case, in this company, higher authority persons who are working in a Java, those higher authority persons are interested to purchase, marketing persons, purchasing a what? Original Oracle database software. Because I am loading, you are loading free trial software, so don't worry. But here they are interested to purchase original Oracle database software. That's why these persons are contacting a what? So now here, observe here. Contact about Oracle Corporation, for example, higher authority team. Slowly observe here. Whenever they're contacting about Oracle Corporation, then slowly observe here. Slowly observe here. Then Oracle Corporation sales team, they are telling only, yes, here two editions are there in this Oracle version, but two editions are cost is different. Cost is different. Which edition do you want? They're asking. They are telling like this only. Here Express edition is available. Express edition is available. Another one is Enterprise edition is available. Which edition do you want? They are asking only. But unfortunately, who are working in a way Java, Python, .NET, these type of front-end applications, those higher authority persons are interested to purchase Express edition only. 90% of the case, the Express edition only they are interested to purchase. What is the reason behind that one? Java backend side, Express edition only they are using. Python .NET side, Python side, yes, Express editions only they are purchasing. Why? Because one reason is 90% of the companies are using a what? Express editions in a Java, .NET, Python, these type of application side, front end application side. Why? Because here this expression is cost is very low. First reason is cost is very low compared to Enterprise edition. Why cost is very low compared to Enterprise edition means it does not support all Oracle features. It does not support. It does not support all Oracle features. So now that is the reason. Support all Oracle features. Suppose a recycle bin is a feature is there that is not available in a where express edition. All okay, so now Oracle features. All Oracle features it does not support also. Why we are preferring award this one means only cost is different. But in a Java, .NET, Python, these type of front-end application side, always all the concepts are not required. All the features of the Oracle is not required really. Suppose Java developers are using award, this Oracle means stored procedures they are using, raise underscore application underscore error they are using, and also yes some of the in parameters, out parameter, input output parameters they are using only. Again okay, joins fundamental queries they are using, that's all. Remaining never used really. That's why here it does not support all Oracle features also, not a problem. Yes, here most of the front-end developers are interested to purchase Express Edition only because common concepts it will be supported. Now cost also very important. No? Yeah, now check it out, concentrate here. But learners, I am also, you are also interested to where okay install a what this express edition. No, why? Because here in this express edition, what is the problem? Only one user is available. System is a user. In this user only, no extra tables, EMP, DEPT, these type of tables are not available. Tables are not available. Okay, tables. So many tables are not available. Only predefined tables are not there. But who are interested to work in a where in this expression means suppose Java, .NET, Python, who are learning okay skills, those persons are interested to install a what? Yes, yeah, this expression. Why? Because those persons are interacting with the what database very less concepts. But unfortunately, I am not preferring a what express edition. You are a Java developer side also. Why? Because yes, in this expression, only one extra user was one user is there, system or sys only user. Don't worry. There is admin user. In that user, predefined tables are not available. That's why learners are learning not so easy. Again, their own way, they are creating a table, they are inserting some knowledge is required to understandable database. It will take a time. That's why I am preferring a what? Yes, enterprise edition. Enterprise edition is a main edition also. If extra user is available in that enterprise edition, Scott user, in that user only Oracle predefined tables are there. Through that one, learning easy. Learner side. That's why I am preferring a what enterprise edition. You are preferring a what express edition also, not a problem. Okay, yeah. Now, but experience is required. Okay, yeah. Now that's why observe it here. Express edition. 1 minute. Observe it here. Read this one. Now here express edition in Oracle express edition does not supports all Oracle features. Suppose in a feature recycle bin is a concept is there that is not available in express edition. In a Windows side recycle bin is there. No? Same like here also enterprise edition side recycle bin is there. Like that, so many features does not support. So many features are there. So observe it here, you are a first time newcomer means express edition cost is very low compared to where enterprise edition. Express edition does not have a predefined tables. Express edition only having one user system. Scott user, these type of users are not there. Generally, express editions are used to connect client applications like Java, .NET, Python, PHP, etc. only. Take a snap this one express edition. You are not installing also, just better to know some small concept. Take a snap this one through the mobile. Okay, now check it out. Concentrate here. Enterprise edition in olden days, Oracle said free trial software they are not providing. They're asking a what a payment amount only. But nowadays, free they are giving only. That's why I am preferring a what enterprise edition only. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose what is enterprise edition? Here, very important. Main enterprise editions are main editions in every database also. Now check it out. Suppose I am working in a company. I am working in a where pure database project, for example, Oracle related project only I am working. Suppose I am working in a where TabView is a project, QuickView is a project, Informatica is a project in a data warehousing applications. Otherwise, I am working as a PLSQL developer. I am working as a what? Oracle apps developer, ERP developer. These are pure database projects. Java, .NET, those are all the things in front end. But here, these are pure database projects also there. In this type of situation, always suppose here in a informatica talent, okay, this type of quick view, these are type of tool side means always higher authority persons are purchasing a what, interested to purchase enterprise edition. Really, enterprise edition. Why? Because enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. These are main editions. It supports, it supports all Oracle features. It supports all Oracle features. Okay, na? Yeah. Now observe here, all Oracle features it will be supported. But unfortunately, if this original software means cost is very high. Original. Because we are installing a what free trial software, but company side this original software means cost is very high compared to where? Compared to where? Express edition, because it supports all Oracle features now. But you are a learner, better to install free trial software from the net only this enterprise edition. Why I am preferring a what enterprise edition means not only so many features learning purpose, but also in enterprise edition extra users are available. Extra users are available. What are the extra users they are providing Oracle Corporation practice purpose? Scott is extra user. That's why Scott is popular. Okay, yeah. And also another extra user is HR is an extra user. In these users, predefined tables are there. In this Scott user, so many predefined tables are there. You are familiar those tables in a future: EMP, DEPT, sal grade, bonus. Those type of tables are available. Don't worry. And now here, observe it here in a feature. Suppose here I'm installing a what? Enterprise edition. Just observe it here. Now check it out here. Enterprise edition I'm installing. In a future, tomorrow you are also installing. Don't worry, settings are there. Now here in that enterprise edition, predefined tables are available. Here, sorry. What is the extra user? What is extra user is available? Observe here, yes. In this extra user only, don't worry, installation after these are all the things you are familiar. Now predefined tables are available. Here, observe it here. Now EMP is a table. Observe here, yes. Is a table is there or not? These all the tables in a future you are familiar, don't worry. Most powerful. Through these tables only queries also you are learning. Okay, these are the predefined tables are there. That's why here 1 minute observe it here. Enterprise edition is a main edition. 1 minute observe it here. Here enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. Enterprise edition cost is very high compared to express edition. Original software side. Enterprise edition Oracle Corporation giving like this. Edition also having extra users like Scott, HR. Already I told you, in Scott user by default username is Scott and password is Tiger. These passwords we are changing after installation. Don't worry. Scott user also having following predefined tables. These are EMP, DEPT, sal grade, bonus. So many tables are there. Okay, take a snap this one. Take a snap through mobile. Okay, yeah. After installation, very easy. Don't worry. Okay, just first names at least injecting purpose. These are all the theory. I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Now observe here. Concentrate. Suppose so many new features are there in a okay enterprise edition side. Okay, you don't have any day anything also. 1 minute observe here. 1 minute at least. I am showing only. Suppose recycle bin you have an idea in Windows side. Yes. Suppose the Windows side, suppose here, unfortunately, here this document is there. In a way, this document is there. I try to delete this document. Whenever I'm deleting this document, this recycle bin that is storing only. That is, I know, you know, everyone knows. Okay, yeah. Now I want to get it back, this document from recycle bin into original state. That is a desktop only. How can I? Anybody? Very good. In a Windows side, right click, restore. We are using no same recycle bin concept is available in a where? Enterprise edition side. Now restore, you have an idea, no? Yeah, normally Windows side. We get it back the okay document only. Okay. Same like, right click restore, how it is available. Same like here in a feature in enterprise edition side, in a restore place, flashback command is there. Flashback table name is a command is there, flashback table. This command through, we are getting back the what table from the recycle bin into database. Suppose I don't want to store in a where? In a recycle bin, for example. Okay, no, 1 minute only. Now I want to delete this document permanently. Permanently means how can I? Anybody have an idea? Windows side. Just a shift plus delete. Whenever shift plus delete we are using means automatically, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file or not? If you want to delete a what? Yes, here in a table also permanently means one command is there. Drop table name, extra command purge is a command is there. That much of thing is there. Same like a Windows, whatever things are there, that is embedded. This is same like a what? A shift plus delete only. Okay, yeah. These all the things are new features. These all the things are available in a where? In a enterprise edition software side. Suppose this is enterprise edition. 1 minute observed here. Now show recycle bin. In a feature you are familiar. 1 minute observed here. Oh, maybe here. Here. Okay, in my system, so many tables I'm dropping only today or yesterday like that only. Now this all the information is available here or not? Again, I want to get it back. The table means here flashback table name to before drop. Something is there. Don't worry. These type of commands in a feature you are learning. That is SQL like this. Already the table is there. Two table names are same means we are using a what? Already that is there. These type of things we are learning in a future. Okay, like this flashback is completed or not, like this, these type of things we are learning. Okay, don't worry. That's why these are all new features. That's why here always it supports a what? Enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. Enterprise edition cost is very high. Original software side is compared to where Express edition. Enterprise edition also having extra user Scott, HR. In that Scott user by default username Scott and password is something tiger only. We are changing that one also. Don't worry. Scott user also having following predefined tables. All are completing a what at this snapshot. Did you complete this one? Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Why I'm telling blindly this editions means here SQL plus tool. You have an idea, no? Previous class we are starting roughly. That SQL plus tool still having some problems only. That settings, those SQL plus tool settings we are learning through these tables very easy way. Okay, yeah. That's why we are starting about first enterprise edition. These tables through only we are learning about so many settings. Those settings problems still up to now also it will be there. In a olden days onwards, they are not rectifying. Just some small commands through we are checking only. Now observe here, concentrate here, very important. Suppose some commands you are learning about in enterprise edition in SQL language commands. Through that one by one, I will tell you settings. Suppose, for example, which user is connected to the server? Yes, I want to view that user means show space user. I'm typing only. Okay, semicolon, press enter key. That user automatically displayed or not? Suppose here so much of coding you are writing, for example, daily SQL, PL, SQL languages. I want to clear the screen means CL space SCR is a command we are typing only. Yes. Here clear screen is there or not? Yes, observe it here. Suppose here these are all the things I want to clear me. CL space SCR is a command like this. 1 minute only. Here to view current user means syntax is there. Show space user either capital or small letters, anything, not a problem. Data cases to semicolon. Every statement ends with semicolon. Suppose I want to clear the screen means here CL space SCR we are using only here. Okay, yeah. Up to this one, take a snap. Because in environment settings, I will tell you now. There only installation process we are starting better. Complete up fastly. Take a snap. Once installing this, you are also checking. Complete. Very good. Now check it out. Observe it here. Observe it here. Observe it here. Suppose in this user side, which tables are available? All the list of tables I want to view means. Suppose observe it here. Show space user is there. In that one Scott user is there. No, in this Scott user, which tables are there? Those all the tables I want to view means some SQL language command is there in a feature. Select star from tab is a command is there. Yes. List of all the tables, it is displayed only. What are the tables are available under this user here? DPT, here EMP. These are predefined tables, and also in my class, those all tables are available or not? Yes. Suppose observe it here. In a number of sessions also we are opening. Suppose my name in another class side, just user is there. Murali is a user. In this Murali user, which tables are available? Show space user like this. I want to view which user is connected to the server. Here in this Murali user side, which tables are available? I want to view means select star from tab. Here EMP, DPT, these tables are not there. Here observe it here. Mumbai is a table is there or not? Yes, here. That's why always in a particular user side, which tables are available, I want to view means select star from tab is a command. What is tab means synonym, that is later. Just first blindly or some commands only. And now check it out. Here, observe it here. To view all tables of a particular user, syntax is select star from tab. Take a snap this one also. Fast. Okay, and now this one also observe it here. Example. These are the 4 tables. Now, why I'm telling this one is today you are understandable. Some environment problems are there. Through these big tables, you are understandable. Those are all the settings. Suppose particular table I want to view means select star from table name. We are using only. Okay. Yeah. Here, observe here particular table information I want to view means here in a future SQL language command is there before installation. Better to type a what this one means better. Why? Because something you are understandable later. Okay. Now like this. And now here, now check it out. To view particular table, syntax select star from table name. Take a snap this one. These commands don't worry, later you are familiar, but first something I want. Now on, what's observe it here different? Why blindly I'm injecting these concepts means observe it here. Reason is there. So many fellows are doesn't know SQL plus tools environment problem. Now today that problem you are understandable. Suppose finished this one. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose I'm installing Oracle software in my system today. For example, I'm opening a what SQL plus tool. Okay, yeah. For example, SQL plus tool I'm opening. Here enter position one extra user. Scott is a user. Okay, password is there. Installation time given password anything. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Enter position. In that one, yes, here, so now show user means extra user is the Scott user. Here predefined tables are there. One of the table I try to type select star from DEPT. There is no problem. Small tables in SQL plus tool side, not a problem. Yes, properly it is visible. Observe here. These are the columns. These are the data. Easily everyone understandable. But unfortunately, whenever we are trying to display big tables in SQL plus tool, problems. Observe here. That's why I'm telling only these type of EMP, DEPT like this. EMP is a little bit of big table, Oracle provided only. These are predefined tables in a Scott user side. This table is a little bit of big table they are providing a Oracle corporation. That's why this table I try to type means what happened. Observed here, it does not display it properly. Now check it out. Observed here. Yes, now screen observe it. Now select here star from EMP. It does not display it properly. But why it is not displayed properly? Suppose in a real-time projects and also so many big tables are there. I want to display those tables properly means some environment settings are required. SQL plus tool is an environment problem is there. Toad is not a problem. SQL developer not a problem. SQL navigator not a problem. But only SQL plus tool is a problem. What are the problems are there? Screen observe. Screen observe. Why these gaps are displayed? Why it is not displayed properly means reason is there. What they are telling a Oracle corporation, each line, this one is a line oriented. Each line having a what? A maximum 80 bytes they are giving only. Maximum length is 80 bytes. Each character is a what? 1 byte only. Okay, yeah. Here observe here. Maximum 80 bytes are there. Observe here. Each line having a what? A maximum 80 bytes. Suppose our table side any column having a any line horizontally, any line having a what more than 80 bytes, then those next columns are displayed in a next line. That's why yes, here the table does not display properly. That's why here department number column next line only displayed. Okay, yeah, that's why that okay. So now if table does not display properly, to overcome this problem we must set environment. How we are setting environment means some commands are there. These commands are SQL plus tool commands. Set here line size or line, okay, more than 80 means 100,000, anything we are typing only. Then automatically your big tables also displayed a what properly. Okay, yeah. Again another settings are there. Observe here. Yes, compared to previous case, it will display the what properly in a table format or not. Yo, these are the columns, these are the rows only. Properly not displayed means how you are interacting with the what database. That's why always proper display mechanism also required only. Now check it out. Same theory observed here in every SQL plus tool also same thing. Now observed here. I am writing a what a select star from EMP semicolon. For example, employee table in SQL plus tool by default each line having maximum 80 bytes. Each character is 1 byte. No, in our table any line having more than 80 bytes, then the table does not display properly. To overcome this problem, then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable by using following syntax. What is the syntax? Set a line size any number you are giving, otherwise set a line any number you are giving. But these all SQL plus tool commands are available in a where? Here only. Okay, yeah. How can I view those all the things? I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Here, take a snap this one. Your reading also you are understandable. Once you are installing this, you are only checking these all the things. Example. And read. Now this one also take a snap. This is syntax. I am giving the 100. You are giving anything also not more than it. Okay, remaining settings also tomorrow I will tell you. Don't miss those classes. Tomorrow I am telling about installation process. Okay, yeah.